Hi, Suzanne Stoddart here of Legitimate Affiliate Training, and this week's tip is number 7, called What Legal Steps Do I Need to Take to Start an Affiliate Marketing Business? We'll go over the most important steps you need to consider if you're building an affiliate marketing business. If you click the link you see above, you can check out all of the other tips I've done so far. And if you're looking for some amazing step-by-step training to build your own $100 per day online business, click my link below. So let's start. Setting up your affiliate marketing business involves more than just choosing a niche and starting to post affiliate links. The legal considerations are essential to ensure that your business operates within the law and maintains a good reputation with both customers and affiliate partners. Now, I'll be referring to U.S. standards, as I can't cover each country for you, but just be sure to research the proper authorities in your own country, okay? So let's start with choosing the right business structure. First, you should consider the structure of your business. Options include sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company or an LLC, or corporation. Each has different legal, tax, and financial implications. For more detail, take a look at this article I found here. He talks about what a business legal structure is, why a business legal structure is important, the different types of structures like the ones I just mentioned, and this gives you more information on each particular one so that you can decide what it is that you may want to use. Now, most beginners or early startups don't worry about this because they're not making too much money yet, but he does talk into the factors of why you should consider these different structures for down the road. Most people tend to pick an LLC because it gives you the most flexibility, but this is a great article to read. Next, let's look at the benefits of an LLC. For many entrepreneurs, as I said, this is a popular choice because it provides protection of personal assets and has tax benefits. In the U.S., you'll need to register your business with the appropriate state authorities and obtain any necessary business licenses or permits. Again, here's an article I found for you talking about the benefits of forming an LLC. This is again a really nice read for you. Now, this particular article covers both the US and the EU, okay? And I'm certainly going to be leaving all the links to these articles down below. Now, the next areas may be a repeat for those of you who looked at tip number 6, but they're important to add here because these are legal steps to consider when starting an affiliate marketing business. So let's look at marketing transparency. When it comes to marketing, transparency is key. In many places, including the US, affiliates need to disclose their relationships with their viewers. This means that you must clearly state that you may receive a commission if your viewer purchases a product through your link. The FTC, or Federal Trade Commission, requires that these disclosures are clear and in an obvious location. If you look at this article here on Medium, it talks about disclosures and being transparent, okay? It explains it in much more detail than I'm going to in this video. And again, it's something that you should look at. Next are privacy policies. Your website should include a privacy policy that outlines how you collect, use, and protect your visitors' data. With regulations like the GDPR in the United Kingdom, and the California Consumer Privacy Act there in the U.S., it's important to understand and comply with each privacy law that applies to your audience. In this article here, it talks about why you need a privacy policy, the type of data that you collect, the laws that you need to follow, and why you need a privacy policy to begin with. Again, another important read for you who are going into an affiliate marketing business. And then there's the intellectual property rights. Now, you must be mindful of these rights, okay? Only use content such as images, articles, videos, things like that you have permission to use or that you've created yourself. Misusing copyrighted materials can lead to some pretty serious legal issues and damage your relationship with the brands you're trying to promote. Now, have you ever considered using Quora to answer your questions? Take a look in here. Here, someone is asking how affiliate marketers handle issues related to copyright infringement and the use of copyrighted materials in their promotions. And there are some excellent answers in here. Now, this is an ad, that's not an answer, but all of these answers are from people online who have a lot of experience or who have had experience with this issue. And it can also lead you to other questions that you may want to follow to find out more detail. So consider using Quora. It's an excellent platform to get answers to your many questions. And then we come to contractual agreements. If you enter into any contract, such as with affiliate networks or partners, make sure you read them carefully. You have to understand the do's and don'ts of each agreement. And it's often worth consulting with a lawyer if you're required to sign a pretty deep contract with a particular vendor, okay? And for those of you with websites, there's the website terms and conditions. Your website needs to include terms and conditions outlining the rules for using your site and what liabilities you disclaim. These can protect you legally and clarify what actions you may take against any misuse of your site. In other words, people using your information and breaking your copyright protections. Next is important for your campaigns, such as the compliance in advertising and marketing. Ensure that any advertising or marketing you do complies with the laws and regulations. This includes not making false claims about products or services and making sure that you adhere to any specific regulations in your niche, like health or financial services. You have to be very careful like that if you are not an accredited doctor or financial planner, okay? So finally, in conclusion, addressing these legal considerations might seem daunting, but they're essential for building a sustainable business. Now, this isn't a complete list, but it covers the key areas that you should consider from a legal standpoint when you set up your affiliate marketing business. When your business grows and starts to earn significant profits, which of course is what we all want, you may want to consult with legal professionals to address the finer points. It can save you from potential legal troubles and financial liabilities down the line, allowing you to focus on building your business even more. Now, to help you with generating the required documents for your website, take a look at this article here. This is actually a very good article, and as you can see, they have all of these apps within this where you can generate a privacy policy content, cookies content, terms and conditions. Okay, it's got all of these in here, and if you scroll down to the bottom, they offer you these free templates, and these are certainly the templates that you should have on all of your websites. And I want to thank you so much for watching my tip today. If you enjoy these weekly tips, please subscribe to my channel. And if you're looking to start your online journey, click my link below for my #1 recommendation. It's step-by-step training with fanatical support to get your business up and running properly. And yes, all of these legal considerations are covered in the training. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll get right back to you. So until next week, cheers.